What if I told you sitting in your home you can make money without any license, without any office, without any warehouse, without any stock, still you can do the business. And I was last like 4 to 5 days I was researched about that, and I try by myself and I able to do that. That's why like I'm sharing my thoughts or my experience about the Shopify, how to make real money from Shopify. The totally free. I'm gonna explain each and everything so you can understand and you can start at your journey from today onwards. Watch this video until end. This is Yeasin. Welcome back, Yeasin Hustle, and I hopefully everyone doing very well. This channel we are always explore some of the videos where you can really understand like how to make online money, or how to understand like you can understand the market analysis, like how to get money or how you can earn money from the online. This video is very important for you. If you really want to become a billionaire, that is for you. You need to understand that Shopify, everyone knows that, and I'm gonna tell exactly how it's make money. Shopify, you need to understand before you start it. It's a platform online. They allow us to create our online own store and adding a product without any stock, and we can sell it. We can receive a order by through this application, and this is one of the like online store, not a physical. So you can get the order and you can communicate with the China, and you can get a order. Whenever you get a order from the clients, you need to communicate with the supplier in China, and then you can send them details. They will deliver the customer door as per the customer details. So that is basically Shopify. Now how to make money from the Shopify. Basically, once you create your store, after creating the store, what you need to do, you need to check with CJ Dropshipping, or I can recommend it CJ Dropshipping because that is one of the easy ways to get the product. So there is a AliExpress also. Both option you can choose anything. Like from my side is my experience. From my side is CJ is the best things. So you need to integrate your Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. So you can see there are a lot of product, and you need to go to the TikTok or any social platform where you can see the dropshipping product which is really valuable and high demand. So you can pick the product and you can search in China warehouse. Then you will get it like as a, let's say $5, any kind of product which is cost $5. So you need to see the market analysis, like how much is selling on marketplace. What you need to do, you need to add the cost of delivery charge and then 30% minimum profit. So let's see if the product price is $5, then the delivery charge will be like $3 to $4, and your profit should be 30%. So let's see around $6 to $7. Okay, so including like if the market platform the same product they are selling $20, you need to sell it like at least 19.99, 19.50, something less than them. So there is a high chance you can get a order. So basically like once you create the Shopify store, they will gonna create for you. There is a lot of events and a lot of platform there, like application, transaction, and there is a translator also, like whoever coming, like there may be different places or different country. So you can install the application, so it will be automatically like whenever as per the country it will automatically change the language. That is one of the best things. And always try to, whenever you add the product, what you need to do, you need to main focus, you need to do the research properly. Research from online this product before and after, before using that and after using that, what is the benefit they can get, show on videos. That is one of the biggest interesting things where customer can buy it easily. The moment you build up the relation or you build up the trust, you can easily get the order. Even like in a night while you're sleeping, still you can get the order, and morning you can research on it. So that is one of the best business for the drop shipping, without any hesitate, without any store, without any license, without any office, still you can do it. Shopify cost, let me tell you about the cost of Shopify. Basically in UAE currency, $110 AED per month, basically in UAE. and the first 3 months they're gonna provide you as a trial or training period. So the per training period, like per month, there will be 3 months. So per month you need to pay $1. It's mean 3 months you need to pay $3, right? So $3 multiply like around 11 to 12 AED dirham. So in this 3 month you need to build up your relation with the customer, getting orders. At least you have a fund where you can use after 3 months. If it's 150 dirham, still you can manage it with the store. That is store cost, online store cost, without any license. And the main important part also, if you really want to get the order, it's called domain, like www.belmora.com, www.shoes.com. The domain, you need to purchase the domain from the Shopify, which is like around $50 or sometime like $20, $30, depend on the name. So you can go to the free trial like domain area. There is in the Shopify store, there is a setting option. Go to the domain, then you can type your store name. They will give you the specific name, and then after that, as per the name, you can select the price which is comfortable for you. There is a lot of domain, so get something which is very unique and professional. This look should be professional, so you can get it, and that is the way you can really make a money. And it will change, like first 2 to 3 months might be there will be not much income, like let's say first month $500, 500 dirham, second month 1000, the third month it will be like become 5000. So that is with the patience and with the market analysis. You need to know what is the product is trending right now, based on global market, based on private market, what is exactly right now needed, or what is the things right now ongoing. As for the online product, you need to research it very well. The moment you research it very well, you will get the benefit to getting a more quantity order. So understand the process, how to do that, then only start it with this. If you are not prepared, then you will fail. 95% people, they fail because they don't have the understanding knowledge, like what exactly it's work. And if anyone, you want to learn like how to build up the Shopify store and how to create the banner, Shopify store, the product items, let me know. I can upload the videos to basic to guide all the information like how to do that. Follow me, Yeasin Hustle, to get more information and to make money.